Babe, I'm freaking out. I keep hearing weird noises in the house.
What kind of noises? Are you okay? Where are you right now?
I'm in the bedroom. It's like scratching, maybe from the attic. It's loud.
Scratching? Could be a mouse or something. Lock the door. I'm on my way.
A mouse? It's too heavy, like footsteps. I'm scared, Jake. Hurry.
Footsteps? Check the windows, make sure they're locked. I'm 15 minutes out.
Windows are locked. Now it's a thump, like something fell upstairs.
Thump? Stay calm, babe. Call 911 if you think someone's in there.
I'm too freaked out to move. It stopped, but I hear whispering now.
Whispering? That's not normal. Hide in the closet. I'm speeding up.
Okay, I'm in the closet. It's louder, like voices by the stairs. Help me.
Voices? I'm 10 minutes away. Don't make a sound. Call the cops now.
I called. They're coming. Oh God, something's scratching the closet door.
The door? Stay quiet, babe. Police will be there soon. I'm almost there.
It's saying my name, Jake. Sarah, I'm gonna pass out.
Saying your name? That's insane. Hang on, I'm 5 minutes out.
It stopped, but I hear breathing now. It's close, right outside.
Breathing? Don't open the door. Cops should be there any second.
I see a shadow under the door. Feet. Someone's standing there. I'm terrified.
I'm pulling up. Where are the cops? Stay hidden. I'm coming in.
Wait, don't. The door's creaking open. Oh no, I see a hand.
Sarah, what's happening? I'm inside. Where are you? Answer me.
It's not a person. Eyes glowing, it's staring at me. I dropped my phone.
Sarah, I'm upstairs. Closet's empty. Where are you? Police are here.
No response.
Sarah, please. I found your phone in the attic. Blood on the floor. Where are you?